Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be working on another traveler's notebook layout. I've been on a roll with these, you guys, and I have found that having to document one or two pictures is so much easier than scrapbooking a 12 by 12 layout. so I've been on a roll. I've been able to keep up. I mean, I do have a few pictures that I'm kind of behind, but it's like onesies and twosies, you guys, compared to like the 900 I still have to go through for the past years. So I've been doing a lot more work on my traveler's notebook, and another benefit that I'm like discovering just by doing all these layouts is that a traveler's notebook does not take this as much room as in 12 by 12 album. So I'm kind of like just loving that, and I'm sorry that like I'm bombarding you with traveler's notebooks layout. It's just tremendously has helped me stay current with documenting this year, especially working on not only my daughter's traveler's notebook that I wanted to do for her for this year, but also like my own of the family one. So I don't know if that's helpful to some people. I'm just really loving that I get to document things a lot sooner and quicker because it's just one or two pictures versus, like multiple pages. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just kind of loving the traveler's notebook idea. So this is going to be the last layout for this insert. I don't know if you guys are new to my channel. Maybe you didn't see the previous video, but this year my objective is to document this entire year for my daughter, like just like a little special traveler's notebook for her, and then I'm creating one for myself that includes the rest of the family, all of the family. So this is the last layout for this specific insert, and it's not really a picture layout, you guys. I have also discovered the, let's see, how do I want to say it, like the art journal look or process mixed with a traveler's notebook layout. Does that make sense? I have no idea. I hope I'm not confusing anybody, but what I'm trying to say is that there are pages that you will see in this insert, because I am going to do a flip through at the end of this video, and there is no pictures whatsoever. It's just almost like an art page where I'm just using stamps, or I'm just using like a 3x4 journaling card, and I'm kind of like mixing that art aspect of that design into pages that I need to fill, or that I don't have like any more pictures to add. I don't know. You guys know what I'm trying to say? So this isn't like a actual picture. This is the very first page that when you open the insert, this is the very first page. And so I wanted it to be almost like just an art journal page. And I am picking this 3x4 card that says you and me. I am going to trim it, and basically that's it, you guys. It's gonna be more of an art page, because I just honestly needed something to fill that that emptiness in this insert. I don't know if you guys saw, because typical me, I get side on the conversation, and I stamped one of my favorite flower stamps. This is by Honeybee Stamps, and I'll link it in the description below in case you're interested. This is one of the stamp sets that I truly recommend for you to keep in your stack because it makes like such easy backgrounds and ephemera and something that you can always reach for to decorate pages with. So I'm just going to, I stamped them out, fussy cut them out, saved some time on the video, and I am just going to adhere them to the journaling card. And that is going to be the layout, you guys. Like I said, this was the very first page that had like the back of the cover in that first page of the insert on the right, and I needed something that would like kind of go together. And this is the idea that I came up with. So hopefully you guys like it. We're going to do the flip through, seeing some of these pages for the beginning of January. So this is starting out the year. Some of the layouts you guys have already seen, some of them you haven't. Very small insert. And now I am going to put it away in her little traveler's notebook and begin working on the second and third ones that are in there. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Have a blessed week. Bye everyone.